The hidden powers of your brain, 10 unbelievable discoveries that will amaze you. Have you ever wondered about the incredible potential of your brain? The human brain is an enormously complex and powerful organ, capable of incredible feats that are still being discovered by scientists and researchers around the globe. In this video, we'll explore 10 unbelievable discoveries that will amaze you, and help you to unlock the hidden powers of your own brain. Video title: The Hidden Powers of Your Brain, 10 Unbelievable Discoveries That Will Amaze You. Video description: This video takes you on a journey exploring the amazing world of the human brain. It reveals 10 fascinating discoveries made by scientists all over the world, that will leave you awestruck. You will learn how your brain has the potential to do things you never thought possible. Discover how you can unlock the hidden powers of your brain. 5 keywords: brain, potential, discoveries, hidden powers, unbelievable. Introduction. Welcome to the hidden powers of your brain, 10 unbelievable discoveries that will amaze you. We will take you through some fascinating information on the power of your brain. You will discover the incredible abilities of your brain, which will leave you astounded. 10 unbelievable discoveries. 1. The brain has its Wi-Fi. Your brain is capable of communicating directly with other brains via a wire-free, Wi-Fi-like connection. Researchers have discovered that this communication is not only instantaneous but accurate, generating responses almost 97% faster than traditional modes of communication such as texting or email. 2. Mind reading with a computer. Duke University has developed a system that can translate a person's thoughts into speech. Using a computer and machine learning algorithms, the researchers have been able to recreate a digital voice that matches the thoughts of the person they are monitoring. 3. The incredible power of memory. Recent research has shown that memory is more potent and adaptable than we ever believed before. The brain's ability to store memories is almost limitless, and it is possible to increase your memory by following specific strategies and exercises. 4. Adolescence is a critical brain development stage. New studies have shown that adolescence is a crucial time for development. Hormonal changes coincide with the developing brain, creating a stage for crucial changes to happen. The development during adolescence is not only crucial for the present, but changes during this stage can affect a person's life for years to come. 5. Brain waves can control robotic limbs. Advancements in brain-computer interface (BCI) technology have been used to control robotic limbs with incredible precision. People with spinal cord injuries have used this technology to control robotic limbs and regain some of their lost abilities. 6. Our imagination is a force to be reckoned with. When our brains imagine things, they activate similar neural pathways as if we were genuinely experiencing those things. This phenomenon is why it can be so challenging for our brains to distinguish between fiction and reality. 7. Music's effect on our brains. Music is more than just a form of entertainment. It affects our entire being on a molecular level. Studies have shown that music can help improve memory, reduce stress, and even boost immune function. 8. The potential of brain stimulation. Recent studies have suggested that brain stimulation can help improve memory, increase creativity, and even treat depression. In many cases, the improvement and effects were found to be long-lasting. 9. The subconscious mind's potential. Our subconscious mind is just as capable of learning as our conscious mind. In fact, recent studies have suggested that unconscious learning occurs quicker and is retained much better than learning we are aware of. 10. The limitless potential of the human brain. The human brain is capable of many things we have yet to discover. Research is uncovering more and more of the vast potential of the brain and how it works. With knowledge of the brain's limitless capabilities, it is possible to unlock hidden powers within ourselves. Outro. We hope that the hidden powers of your brain, 10 unbelievable discoveries that will amaze you. has provided you with some incredible insights into the human brain. These discoveries showcase how much untapped potential there is within our brains. Exploring brain science can offer us unique insights into harnessing our mental potential and unlocking hidden powers of the brain. Thanks for watching.